In this video, we will see how to make use of different web applications or pre-downloaded softwares to run one small Python code. This is onlinegdb.com, where obviously, if we feel like, then we can log in to some Gmail ID and can store our programs. Right now, I'm making use of this drop-down menu, selecting Python. Say nm is equal to input, a prompt message, enter name, age is equal to int of input, a prompt message, enter age. If age is greater than 17, I'm writing a statement like print nm, comma, can vote, otherwise print nm cannot vote. Being an online compiler, as you must have noted, the time when I was typing, it was giving me suggestions. The sooner I am writing PR, it's giving me a drop-down list from where I can select the required option. So right now I am pressing the run button, enter name, say Vikrant, age say 32, can vote. And if I enter age like say 6, which is not my age obvious, cannot vote. The same program, I just copy, Control C. I'm opening an application, Thonny. I've copied and pasted the same program here. Should save. Although nowadays it's not compulsory. I'm naming it as sample first code. It's not compulsory to save nowadays. We can directly execute the code. The code is same. My shell below. Times or the other, you might not find the shell option. So we need to click on view and shell. This is toggle. Shell is off. Shell for the output is on. Press run. Enter name. Vikrant. Age say 32. And if the age entered is conditionally correct, say it was correct, Vikrant can vote. Now the thing was, my program is on my PC. Let me open and show it to you people. The place where I have saved the list of all programs is coming. As you all can note that this is my Python folder, the name of the code, the time, 13th July, and I have saved my file. I can always access by making use of open method, open prompt. Now, let me remove this, close this. The third way for which I am creating this video is making use of Google Colab. So let's go to Google. You have to create one ID, Gmail ID of this, to link your Google Colab sheet, notebook rather, with it. I'm writing Google Colab on the Google prompt. Let me click at the run window. Say I can remove login because it was already logged in my PC. Otherwise, when I click at Google Colab login, it will going to ask me about which Gmail ID I would like to use. So I'm making use of my regular Gmail ID. See, we are going to save our code on cloud. This will obviously take some time in opening. Say, if I'm creating a new notebook, so we need to look for new notebook from this place. Otherwise, we can search also. Say I'm opening new notebook, creating new notebook actually. The window will show me the menus like file, edit, views. I'm going to click at file, new notebook in Drive. Click at the place. I can copy and paste my code, what is already typed. Click at play button. The first code will definitely take some time in execution. Enter name. We need to wait. As you can note, at this place it is executing. Press enter and wait for a while. Now type age. Say 32. Press enter and wait for a while. Can vote. And if you feels like to create another program, click at plus code, and in the same file you are creating different categories of codes. Like I am making use of nm entered above. Say let me multiply it 3 times and run the code. So my name VIK will going to come 3 times. You must have noted that this time now the speed of the execution was a bit faster. The simple reason that the time when I was writing the code, since the code number 1 was compiled, so the execution speed was faster rather than the previous one. The notebook what I have created can be named also, and later on if you want to re-log in, say I am having another notebook named as first. So I can click at first.py after typing. As you can see, that the first.py will get loaded on the screen. You wish to rename, just click here before the dot and can rename the same. Hope the entire purpose of creating a video is clear to you people, that how to create a code for online GDB, for offline software Thonny, and for the online Google Colab. The book created can be shared with others. You can click at the share button and can type the email ID as an editor, as a viewer of your friend, of your teacher, those who can check your code online and can make use of it. Thank you.